In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop from Alibaba for personal use. Whether you're looking for unique items or fantastic deals, Alibaba can be a treasure trove of possibilities. Let's get started on this online shopping adventure from the comfort of your own home. First things first, open your internet browser and navigate to alibaba.com. Once you're on the website, you'll be greeted with a vast array of products from all over the world. It can feel overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Now, to find exactly what you're looking for, use the search bar on the home page. Type in the product name or category you're interested in. As you type, suggestions will pop up, helping you refine your search. Take your time here to ensure you're using the best keywords for the most accurate results. Once you've hit search, you'll see a list of products from various suppliers. It's essential to focus on verified suppliers. These sellers have been reviewed by Alibaba's team and meet certain quality and reliability standards. You can spot them easily, thanks to a badge next to their store's name. This step is crucial to ensure that you're purchasing goods from a reputable source. Next, take a look at the minimum order requirement for the product you're interested in. Some suppliers require larger purchases, which might not be suitable for personal use. However, many do offer smaller quantities, so keep an eye out for these options. This way you can enjoy your shopping without purchasing more than you need. After you've identified a promising product, click on it to see more details. This step will take you to the product page where you can read about its specifications, pricing and shipping information. You'll also find photos and often customer reviews, which are invaluable for making an informed buying decision. Another important aspect is selecting the variations of the product you want. Whether it's size, color or material, click on your preferences. This customization ensures you receive exactly what you have in mind. Before finalizing your order, a handy feature on Alibaba is the option to send an inquiry. This allows you to communicate directly with the supplier, asking any questions you may have. It's an excellent opportunity to clarify details about the product, shipping, or even negotiating the price. Finally, another communication option available is chatting with the supplier via the Chat Now feature. It's perfect for addressing last-minute questions or confirming your order details. This real-time communication can provide peace of mind and enhance your shopping experience. So there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to shop from Alibaba for personal use, ensuring a smooth and satisfying shopping experience. Happy shopping and enjoy exploring everything that Alibaba has to offer.